Yes, the role of Senate Judiciary Committee, which both Amy Klobuchar and Al Franken sat on, has been subverted to attack the presidency. Want rulings from courts that subvert the republic? No problem. Amy has joined the enemies of democracy, and we must stop her. Senator Carlson will lead that body and his Judiciary Committee to rein in conduct of judges and courts. This I will do by working with you to secure our rights by those courts, which now use an adversarial system and set precedent by wicked judges which must be followed. Judicial chaos destroys all hope of securing those rights in the Bill of Rights. The choice of adversarial system where the judge knows the outcome is unjust and allows the laws to be flouted is wrong. The Constitution requires civil law. Judges must give effect to our laws. This system denies the very possibility of securing individual rights supposedly secured by our American Constitution, like slavery. Yes, the great Chief Justice John Marshall, who dominated the court, was a Virginian slaveholder. And Roger Taney, as Chief Justice, started the Civil War with his horrible Dred Scott decision. Marshall himself declared slave trade violated natural law, but not the law of nations, meaning it may be wrong, but it is legal where protected by legislation. He allowed state laws of slavery. Abuses by American jurists, if universally known and understood, would unite all Americans save the unjust. An example from St. Paul, Minnesota, Warren Burger, as Chief Justice appointed by Nixon, this Minnesotan took action his law clerks said devastated the Supreme Court's role as the last bastion of hope for IFP petitioners to set forth facts, issues, and legal arguments each petitioner tried to make. Burger thought all IFTs were a waste of time and called them Disneyland contentions by those who lost and were still trying to object. Like when I pointed out Governor Dayton's and the Minnesota DFL's serious violations of the Constitution, putting celebrity Al Franken on the Judicial Committee.